In this video, I'm driving my RV down to Fort Lauderdale, where we watch a Florida Panthers game headed to shootout and sudden death. Then we head on a boat ride through the canals to have a patron meetup. We had spent the previous night at the Fort Pierce West KOA. I was really enjoying the new-to-me Fleetwood Discovery RV. All right, had a good time here in Port St. Lucie, Fort Pierce. Mostly just because of our friends. That's why we stayed at this RV park. The RV park's nice wide sites, easy to get in and out. What I look for more in an RV park is location, and this is okay, right? It's halfway between Fort Pierce and Port St. Lucie. So like, you're 20 minutes from Fort Pierce, you're 20 minutes from Port St. Lucie. I'd rather go stay like at the Fort Pierce KOA that's like nearly downtown, or it is in downtown, so it's like you can get to anywhere there. But we chose this one because it's closer to our friends, but we can still get to Fort Pierce and Port St. Lucie. So anyway, that's why I picked the spot. So today, heading about an hour and a half, 2 hours down to Fort Lauderdale, staying at the Yacht Haven Marina. We got a hockey game to go to tonight with a buddy, and then also we are have a patron and Sailor Doodles Navy Glamping Doodles meetup in tomorrow. So we'd love to see you guys there. Well, this will come out later than that, so maybe next time. So join a channel membership there, or the Sailing Doodles Navy, and you can come meet us next time we have a meetup in South Florida. All right, how was your stay?
It was good. It was nice.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, did some things I've never done before, so that's fun.
Yeah, I'd say it was pretty good. Your little target practicing. We can probably we probably show some of that stuff on there already. So, all right, you got another thing to go to. Hockey game tonight. That's new.
First time.
All right, so let's get moving. It was only about a 90-mile drive, mostly on the highway, so it was nice and easy. The park was right off the highway, the Yacht Haven Marina and RV Park. They're going to be unhappy because we're going to leave them for a while. We're going to go to a Florida Panthers game. My friend Leonard has taken us to a hockey game. I haven't been to a hockey game in a very long time. And you've never been to one?
No.
Yeah. Well, it's your first time. Great. Weather's much better today. Well, look at this. Look at this. Look at the size of that ship that's covered in plastic. That's crazy. It's not very good lighting. Merlin, I know. I'm sorry. We're trying to debate whether they're having parties when we're gone or not. We think they're having parties. That's, I don't know. My friend Leonard picked us up, and it was only about a 20-minute drive to the venue. All right. I'm a Stars fan, but for tonight, I'm a Florida Panthers fan.
Go Panthers.
Me too,
Go
I
Panthers.
guess.
So there you go. So my buddy Leonard over here. Say hello.
Hello.
And Kaya. Say hello.
Hi.
Friend of mine for a long time, and he's a long-time Panthers fan, so invited us out. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
All
Go
right.
Panthers.
Go Panthers. Let's do it.
Go.
The owner of the Panthers flew in just in time in his private helicopter. It had been a very long time since I'd been to a hockey game, and I was really looking forward to it. Leonard had some pretty great seats for his season tickets. We didn't have to wait long for a goal. It was a high-scoring game. The score was tied at the end of regulation and overtime, so we were headed to a shootout. We needed a clutch save on the last shot to go into sudden death. It was a really fun game and a nice win for the Panthers. All right, so there's some pirates on their way coming to pick us up. My friend Leonard and his buddies are bringing over a center console, and they're going to pick us up and drive us through the canals here to the Safe Harbor Marina and a restaurant called Yacht, where we're doing a patron channel member and Sailing Doodles Navy meetup. So we got, I don't know, there's probably about 10 or so people that RSVP'd for it, and we're all going to have some cocktails and a happy hour. Hey, you get to come too. You're coming too, okay? Because everybody wants to meet you. You're so important. Yeah? He is like the most like expressive dog. Like he's always, I swear he's pretty smart. I bet you he's really smart. We loaded up in the little center console to head through the canals over to the restaurant. We tied up to the dinghy dock at the restaurant. We had a good turnout of about 10 or 15 of our patrons.
Yes, yes. You gotta put a little bit in it. Can I put a little bit of it?
Cheers. Cheers.
How do you do it? I don't know how to do it.
Okay, so just take the fork and then make sure it's already like off the.
So make-
you just slurp it.
So cut it out. Make sure it's not gonna stick.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I
Do a little
am
cheers.
scared.
You shouldn't be scared.
Release it.
It's food. It's
Ready?
edible.
And I just swallow it.
Yeah. Cheers.
You promise I'm gonna be okay.
You just like yes.
We're both alive. We're gonna be okay.
It's like kind of like a spoon. Like this, the shell is like a spoon.
It goes straight down.
Yes,
Yeah. You ready?
No chewing.
You can chew.
Yeah, you can chew.
I don't think I want to chew.
Wait, all you'll taste is the mini of that.
Okay,
Ready?
fine.
Okay, let's do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Try.
Oh, goodness.
We did it. The texture is weird, but like you get used to it.
Yes.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my God, you sound like. That's hilarious.
tastes like
The
vinegar.
texture's weird, but you'll
Well,
get
that's
used to it.
because the
That is the best line in the world right there.
Make sure you're subscribed to the channel as we do a crossover on the next video of Flying Doodles at a airport flying charity event.